Today we are going to construct a mini heap tree. Suppose these are the elements given. So let's start. First 75, so write here 75. 65, 65, 55, 55, then 1, then 2, then 3, then 11, and then 21, then 31, and 15, then 25, then 35, 42, then 9, and 13, then 29, then 69, then 99, and then 44. See, now we'll cross check what things are there. So as it is min-heap, we are constructing the min-heap, so the parent should be should have less value than the children. So here everything is okay, here everything is okay, here everything is okay, and here also everything is okay, but we can say here it is not okay, here it is not okay. So what we'll do, 9 will come here and 11 will come here, 9 will come here and 11 will come here. So now it is okay. So now we'll cross check here. We have to cross check level wise. So this level it is okay, this level it is okay, this level it is okay, but up to this level it is okay. Now you'll see here, this level it is not okay, this level it is not okay, because the parent having more value than the child. So 1 will come here and 65 will come here, replace it. Then we'll see here also at this note we can see that parent is having more value than the child, so it is not okay, so we'll shift it. So 3rd will come here and 55 will come here. Now we'll see at this level. So at this level we'll see here, this is 1 and this is 75, so it is not okay. So what we will do, we will shift this. So 1 will come here and 75 will come here. Now again we will cross check from here. So what we will see here, 75 is here and 2 is here. So what will happen, 75 will come here and 2 will go there. So 75 will come here and 2 will go there. Now it is okay till here. Now we'll see here again, this is 65, this is okay, this is 2, this is 65, this is 75, but now this is 21 and this is 65, this is not okay. So 21 will come here and 65 will come here. Now again we will see here, now this is 29, this is 65, this is not okay. So 29 will go there and 65 will come here. So now 65, 69, 29, 99, 44, 31, 29, 31, 21, it is okay. Now this is, now you'll see here, this is not okay. So what we will do, we will shift it. So 15 will come here and 75 will come here. Now 75, 25, 15, it is okay. Now at this level at this level 55 is here and 35 here, it is not okay. So what will happen, 35 will go there and 55 will come here. So 55, 42, 35, now it is okay. And now this is 11, 13, 9, and this is third. Now it is all okay. So let's make a tree, then we will see if any other modification is required or not. So first notice 1. After that what we have second, the last one which we modified. After that here what we have third, so write here third. After that what we have here 21st, so we'll write here 21st. After that what we have here 15, so we will write here 15. And after third what we have here, we have 35, so we will write here 35. And what we have is this note 9, so we will write here 9. Then we'll come to this part. So after 21st what we have 29, so we will write here 29. And here 31 is there, so we will write here 31. And here what we have 75, so we will write here 75. And what we have 25, so we will write here 25. And here what we have 55, so we will write here 55. Here what we have 42, so we will write here 42. Here what we have 11, so we will write here 11. Here what we have 13, so we will write here 13. And after 29 at this level what we have 65, so we will have 65. And this 69, and this 99, this 44. Now we'll cross check. Root is less, child value is more. Here 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 also root is less, child value is more. Root is less, child value is more. Root is less, child value is more. This is okay. Root is less, child value is more. Root is less, child value is more. And here root is less, child value is more. So all okay. Now we can see the min heap is constructed. So this is the way, by replacing the value from by level we have to cross check. And once we reach to that level, then again we have to cross check that all things are okay or not.